Hey everyone, wanted to share another new feature that you can add to your custom Copilot built on Copilot Studio. So this solution allows you to show current as well as past chat transcripts within your Copilot canvas. So if you have a use case which requires handoff to live agent and you want to pass the conversation history, or if you have any auditing or compliance requirement to retain past conversation in a different system, then this solution will be of help in terms of your design. Again, please note this solution only works on custom canvas since we rely on direct line APIs to create this solution. So first, let me show you how this solution works, and then I will show you how to configure it both on Copilot Studio as well as on your custom canvas. So here is an example of custom canvas. I have the spot embedded on it. You can change the look and feel of this canvas. But just for simplicity, I have a simple canvas here. So I can start my conversation by providing some utterance. So I'll say, tell me about deposit account. I'm just getting some messages in so that we have some conversation to show within the transcript. So you can see I have different topics that I've created. These are sample topics. The idea here is to show you that I'm interacting with the bot. There are messages or interactions that we capture as part of the chat transcript between the user and the bot. So now that we have all these messages, I can click on this show history button here. And now you can see that I have a card that is capturing the conversation ID, the token that was used for this conversation, and then the chat transcript. So this is real time. For this demo, I'm showing it within the chat canvas, but you can also send this information to any system that you use to retain the chat transcripts. So this is how you can simply create a solution that allows you to get chat transcripts real time. So in this example, I'm getting the current chat transcript. So all this interaction is part of the same conversation that I was having, but you can apply the same design pattern to also get previous conversations. All you need is we need the conversation ID and we need the token. So if we have these two data points, then you can pull any conversation that the user has had in the past. So now going back to Copilot Studio, if you have to look at the topic, so you need to create two topics. The first topic will pass the token that is unique to that conversation. So the token is being passed from the canvas to the bot. So if I click on the topic, what I'm doing here is I'm getting the token from the canvas and storing it in a global variable called direct line token. So once we have this token, the other topic that I need to create is the one that allows me to show the adaptive card. So in this case, I have a topic called transcript. And in this case, I am making a call to direct line. So you can see this is the URL, and I'm calling the direct line API, passing in the conversation ID. And in the header, I passed the token that I have stored for this conversation. So these are the two things that you would need in order to get a response from this direct line API. So once you have that, it returns a record or a JSON which has all the conversation history. Once you have that, I just filter for all the messages. It does have a lot more information as part of the transcript, so you can capture the time, the region. There are some other data points that are available as part of the response. But for this use case, all I'm interested in is the conversation that's happening between the bot and the end user. So I just filter the response to only extract the messages from that response. And then I have a adaptive card that allows me to show this information. So you can see I have the conversation ID, direct line token, and then I'm just showing the conversation between the bot and the user in a table format. So this is the configuration you need on the Copilot Studio side. On your canvas, what you need is so you need these few lines of code here. What this is doing is basically sending an event as soon as the direct line connection is completed. So you can see it checks to see if the direct line connection has been established. And if that's the case, then it sends an event which passes the token that was created for that conversation. So once you have this token, you are able to call the direct line API to get chat transcripts using the API that I just showed. Hopefully this was helpful. Like I said, in this demo, I'm just showing the current chat transcript, but as long as you store the conversation ID and the token, maybe in a Dataverse table, you should be able to show even the past chat transcripts with using Adaptive Card. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any ideas for my next video. Thanks for watching.